Alright, make your own ramp with a U-Haul box. Let's check it out, see how it's done. It's meant for 100 pounds, so it's like a half-inch thick cardboard. And it comes with this metal piece that's supposed to hold clothes, like a hanger. But I used it, taped it inside as a support beam so it wouldn't crush down. I also took some triangles and from the leftovers and made some cross braces kind of out of it so it'd be stronger, but came out okay. I'm gonna duct tape it and send it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Next build will definitely be a larger ramp. It needs to be twice as wide. It's a hard target to get any speed going at for these bigger trucks. Maybe a 10th scale or smaller, this ramp would be great. But the next one definitely will be made out of wood. Till next time, thanks again for watching. Have a good one.